The SunJack Backpacker series offers 3 different sized panels: a 15 watt, 25 watt, and 60 watt panel. The 60 watt panel is the most powerful unit of the Backpacker series. This panel is similar in size to a laptop and weighs around 5 pounds. Our mid-size 25 watt panel is about the size of a tablet and weighs about 2 pounds. Last but not least, our 15 watt panel is the most portable and weighs just about 1 pound. All of the panels come with 2 carabiners, except for the 15 watt panel, which comes with 1. You can easily hang the panels on different points or objects, like your backpack. There is also a mesh pocket surrounding the port, so you can charge and store your devices easily. Each panel in the Backpacker series easily folds up and fits inside a backpack or small bag, making these panels the ideal choice for traveling and all your outdoor activities. The panels are also incredibly durable. Designed for off-grid use, they are weather-resistant, shock-proof, drop-proof, you name it. The secret to the panel's impressive durability lies in its well-thought-out construction, and specifically the ETFE exterior coating, which is significantly stronger than the standard PET construction used by most portable solar panels. ETFE is the ideal protective coating for solar panels for several reasons. First, ETFE provides resistance to high levels of thermal stress. In other words, these panels perform extremely well in hot and dry environments, with an average life expectancy nearly double the length of the average portable solar panel. Second, ETFE has total UV ray permeability. Translation, this allows maximum solar energy to reach the panels and the device you are charging. Third, ETFE requires far less maintenance. ETFE is a non-adhesive, stain-resistant surface, and dust and grime are easily washed away from the panel surface. Finally, ETFE is composed of sustainable material and is 100% recyclable, making these panels truly a source of renewable green energy. Now let's talk power. These panels pack a punch. Each panel offers wall outlet charging speeds and are intelligently designed to identify your device, maximize charging speed, and protect it from overcharging and overheating. In other words, these panels are powerful and safe. The 15 and 25 watt panels each have 1 USB-A port and 1 USB-C port, with up to 3 amps of power per port. The 15 watt and 25 watt panels are ideal for charging smaller items like a phone or tablet and can charge 2 devices at the same time. Keep in mind the 25 watt panel is better at charging multiple devices due to the larger peak power output. This 60 watt panel has 3 ports: a USB-A quick charge port, a USB-C port, and a DC port. The 60 watt panel is better suited if you need to charge larger devices, such as laptops and power stations. We consider the 60 watt version an all-around panel since in addition to charging larger devices, it can also safely charge smaller electronic devices while remaining foldable and portable. Our Backpacker series solar panels are designed with the backpacker in mind. With SunJack as your personal power companion, simply plug in and power up. And remember, never be caught without power.
Hey, I'm Andrew Skirka with Sierra Designs. I'd like to introduce the new Flex Capacitor 40-60 backpack. This is a full suspension pack with a great feature set. It is competitively priced and it only weighs 2.5 pounds. The Flex Capacitor is more versatile than the conventional pack. Most backpackers will find it suitable for trips between 2 and 7 days. So let's talk about what makes this pack stand out. Using this expandable gusset, you can adjust the volume of the flux capacitor between 40 and 60 liters. You simply need to tighten or loosen these ladder lock buckles and webbing. And for some context, the difference between 40 and 60 liters is the difference almost of 2 of these hard-sided bear canisters. This is the Y-Flex suspension system. This is an internal frame, but I've pulled it out to show you what it looks like. It's extremely stiff vertically, but it has a little bit of torsional flex through pivoting on the hub. I tested one of the flex capacitor prototypes with 70 pounds of weight, and I would never recommend carrying that weight ever, but I was really impressed with how well this pack supported that load. We designed a simple back panel consisting of these 2 scapular pads and this lumbar pad. The user should experience nice airflow through this section of the pack, which will be really helpful in warm and humid conditions. Normally, to achieve this much airflow, you need to add a lot of build and also compromise its load carrying capacity, but we were able to avoid both of those trade-offs, and we kept the weight of this pack at around 2.5 pounds. Two compression straps run horizontally around the main body of the pack. These offer utility to secure things like snow shovels and trekking poles. They also allow you to further compress the volume of the pack, which improves its load carrying performance. The flex capacitor has 6 exterior pockets, all generously sized and easily accessible. There are 2 hip belt pockets, 2 side pockets, top lid pocket, and my personal favorite is this shoulder strap pocket. That's ideal for a 20-ounce water bottle or for a can of bear spray. One of my favorite features of the flex capacitor is the zipper top lid. I know it's not a matter of life and death that you get quick access to the main compartment of your pack, but being able to quickly open it up and gain access to something without dealing with your normal system of buckles, webbing, and roll top closures is really convenient. The flex capacitor is perfect for a wide range of trips. I've used mine in Glacier National Park, the canyons of southern Utah, and throughout the Colorado Rockies, both in the summer and the winter. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the trail with yours.
United Cutlery continues to blaze new trails with the best-selling M48 Survival Axe tactical hiking staff. This innovative design combines a hiking staff with a stout survival axe, making for one in...
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my